Alright guys, here's a video. I ordered this little tea time play set from Temu and I thought it was cute. I like anything that has to do with desserts. So there's the box. And I have Whitney as our little spokesmodel today so you can see scale. I already started to put it together. I put the dessert cart together and it's just plastic, pink and white, has little handles for her hands. Gold wheels. It does move a little bit. These back wheels seem to be a little stuck, but it does move a little bit. And it does come with some accessories. It comes with this little silver platter with a little plastic simulating glass top, which is adorable. It also comes with this little gold platter here, and I love that. It comes with 4 each. You got 4 larger plates and 4 saucers. I cut one out. This comes with 4 cups, and I cut those out already. I just did a couple of them so you could see scale. Now here is the teapot, plastic. It's all one piece, hollow inside. And it also comes with a creamer, all one piece, no cover, hollow inside. It has a little sugar bowl, all one piece, doesn't come apart, hollow inside. And then it does come with a larger size plate. You can see the scale of it next to her hand. It also comes with a smaller saucer. You can see the scale of that in her hand. The mugs are one piece molded plastic. You can see the scale of that. It's a nice size. I'll put that on the saucer. It comes with a very, very tiny little spoon. If you can see that, I hope you can. Next to her, it's pretty tiny, but it's cute. Then it does come with some dessert pieces. I'm going to try to show you those details the best I can. I think they have it displayed on the platter here, but there's separate cake pieces. And it's kind of red on the outside, raspberry filling with some decorative little designs on top. And they are all separate. So you can put those wedges together and make a full cake. And I love anything that's miniature and desserts. So this is really quite cute. You can put the lid on that. And it also comes with 4 little cupcakes. Now the paint job on these, not so great. But the scale is pretty cute, pretty accurate. So I'll put those 4 cupcakes just on the platter. Maybe I can repaint them because yellow and brown on top there isn't too appealing to me. It comes with a serving knife. I guess it's to scale. Seems a little bit big for me, but it is a nice cutout. It also comes with a serving fork for the cake. There's the scale of it, pretty accurate. And then it has 4 silver forks. I don't know if you can see the detail of that. The scale is pretty nice. So we have 4 forks. And then, like I said, it comes with 4 large plates, 4 small saucers, 4 little spoons, and 4 little cups that I'll cut out later. But I think it's a cute little dessert cart. I might repaint the gold or repaint the pink. I'm not sure if I like those 3 colors together. But I think it's a cute set. I found it on Temu, and it is called Tea Time by Gloria. So if you want to check it out, it's a nice little set. All right, guys, hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'd love to hear what you think about it. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.